Well, good afternoon. We're taking a look at this week's update to our drought monitor. And today's update does include expansion of drought and in some cases worsening on intensity. So here's a look at the drought map. A reminder, anywhere in yellow means that we're at abnormally dry conditions or classified as a D0 drought. And then the next step up is moderate in this kind of tan color, and then orange severe drought. And that's the first time we've had that so far this season. A couple of places that are now in severe drought. That includes the Bemidji area and down toward the Traverse County area. Just zooming in a little bit more on this new drought area. Red Lake down toward Bemidji, so rather Beltrami County included in the new drought area. And then not only is it worsening in places like Traverse County, Wheaton, we're also seeing the expansion of moderate drought into more parts of Lakes Country and also back into southeastern North Dakota, Wahpeton, Breckenridge included in that. So bottom line is it's still very dry, and some places it's worsening. And I probably don't have to tell you that. I've heard from a lot of folks saying that conditions are tough where they are. So we'll continue to monitor that. It's dry today, beautiful out there. I know we need the rain though, and we've got some areas where we're clear. Then other spots where we've got some spotty areas of clouds, those puffy cumulus clouds popping up during the afternoon hours today. Temperatures that are pretty comfortable. We're mostly in the 70s, 76 in Fargo and in Grand Forks right now, and a little bit of wind, not as strong up north. In the south, we're getting some gusts into the 20s, a 22-mile-per-hour gust that's northerly in Fargo, and northwesterly or northerly gust in Sisseton too at 23 miles per hour, excuse me. So again, breezy conditions is the bottom line. What I'm trying to say here in the southern end of the valley, not terrible, but enough to be noticeable in these spots. Now, as we work our way through the day today, we'll have more of the same. We'll see some of those puffy cumulus clouds for the afternoon hours, and most areas just enjoying some sunshine, dry weather, quiet conditions. Temperatures getting up to about 80 degrees in some areas, and so we'll keep things quiet into the evening tonight. You can expect to have a quiet night. The wind does ease up too. I know there's some mosquito spraying going on tonight in some neighborhoods, and so we want that wind to be lighter for that. And then continuing on into the nighttime hours, we're going to be looking north for the potential for some more clouds overnight and the possibility for a few showers, spotty showers, but still a few showers dipping into tomorrow morning. Let's take a look at Friday. We're going to expect to have that potential for a little bit of rain, not a lot, but as we go into the afternoon, you might have a passing shower or even hear a rumble of thunder or two in some of these cells that may pop up with some daytime heating. You can see this tomorrow afternoon at 4 o'clock a couple of places. So a little bit of rain to watch out for tomorrow, but not a good soaking rain. And then Saturday it gets more active with some scattered storms likelier in the afternoon and evening. And Sunday we'll start the heat. We'll see temperatures getting into the upper 80s, maybe even a couple of 90-degree temperatures. And from that point on, it's hot next week. We're rounding out July with a stretch of 90-degree temperatures. Some signs of that heat wave breaking at some point next weekend. But yeah, it's going to last for several days in a row.
Yeah, stretch is definitely a big word for that one.
Yeah, it's going to be hot. You know, once you be ready for it, make sure you've got plans to stay cool, because not only are the daytime temperatures hot, we're talking overnight lows in the 70s. So
oh, wow.
That's pretty warm.
Yeah, for sure. All right, thank you.